An Eastern Conference collision, and we've got you covered here tonight on EA Sports. Hi, everybody. I'm James Cebulski along with Ray Ferraro, who's ready to go between the benches. Opening face-off is set to go. Referee Shilevek is ready to drop the puck. The Penguins start with possession as we are now underway. Here's a short pass to Crosby. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Dumoulin. Oh, what a stop with the glove by Bobrovsky.
Gensel's dangerous when he shoots pucks that are flat and settled on the ice. His snipe zone ability is that accuracy from having full control of the puck. Huberdeau's tape-to-tape zone ability means he can make firm, crisp passes to assist his teammates. One of these players is going to help give their team the upper hand tonight. Guys, back to you.
And he regains control of the puck. The Panthers will play it from the defensive zone. Barkov's got the puck. Oh, just gets a piece of it with the toe stop. We're still in the early stages of this period. Still looking for our first goal. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, and it stays out. He got a piece of that one.
Yeah, he does a nice job here finding the puck as it works its way through. He's got to pick it up somewhere amongst all that traffic.
Broken up by Ekblad. Comes up with a monster save in front. Quick feed to Huberdeau. A little dipsy doodle and he loses possession of the puck.
Sometimes trying a little bit too much is just no good for anybody. That play gets broken up.
He was locked in there.
Smothered that in close chance.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. We've still got zeros on the board. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Bobrovsky's going to give everyone a chance to breathe and hang on to the puck. And we're moments away from getting back underway here with the puck drop. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Shot in front! Busted up on the play.
Yeah, you get in the right spot. Sometimes the thing just hits you.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Oh, and he just gets a piece of it. Great extension on the play. Here he is in close. Oh, wow! Stops him again.
Quick reflexes give him the opportunity to make back-to-back stops.
Past the midway mark in this period, the game is still scoreless. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Pushes it across to Marino. Moves it quickly over to Bluger. Florida's got a hold of it along the wall. Picked up along the boards by Forsling. Florida's got the puck against the half wall. Taken by Marino. Throws it in. The Panthers have it now. Florida's got a hold of the puck. The Panthers are on the attack. Moves it to Forsling. Puck scooped up by Achari. And makes the save. Taken along the wall by Aston Reese. Across the line from center. And just a good old-fashioned solid body check on the play. Gains the zone on the left wing. Here's a chance. Comes up with the stop. Along the wing up the neutral zone. The Penguins carry it along the wall. Sends it down low. Quick pass to Aston Reese. Here's a shot. Denies him.
Bobrovsky's able to make an outstanding save. His quickness and positioning give him the chance to even get a piece of this.
Turns it away.
The most fun save for the goaltender, the glove stop.
Getting into the later stages of this period. Still no score in this one. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. Here's a short pass to Marchment. Denies it in front. Sends the pass over. There's the horn, ending the first period. Both teams will have a chance to regroup. You do you, and we'll be back with period number 2 in a moment. Both teams had a chance to recharge, and the officials set to drop the puck here on period number 2. Second period underway. We're still in search of our first goal in this one. Ray, we've already got 20 minutes under our belt here. What are your thoughts of this one so far?
Florida's focus with the puck has to be a heck of a lot better than it was in that first period. Man, they were a turnover machine in this scoreless game.
He scores!
Boys on the board. It's the first of a long season. You want to get to one as quick as you can.
Well, guys, he was able to make a great pass with his tape-to-tape superstar ability, and it led to that goal right there. That was a great assist on the play.
Puck grab by Letang. Quick feed to Crosby.
Malkin's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
Bobrovsky's going to hang on to the puck for a whistle.
Crosby's got that beauty backhand zone ability, and really, it's his prowess for scoring on his backhand side, guys. It's tougher to shoot and control that shot, but he does it so well. It's something to watch out for.
Florida's got control of the puck. Tries to get it over to Huberdeau. Moves it to Gensel. Here he is in front, and they can't convert on the play. Moves it quickly over to Barkov. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. That's taken away. Great defensive effort there. And he slides it quickly to Barkov. And things starting to ramp up a little bit now on the ice with that play. Takes it and looks ahead. Good reach to the stick to knock the puck away. Into the attacking area from the left side. Takes the feed. Pittsburgh's got it in their own zone. Quick pass to Crosby. And they keep the pressure on. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. Can't complete the pass as it goes off a stick. Rips it. Scores!
Right back to the beginning of the night when the game was tied to start. Nobody has the upper hand anymore.
James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. It's all tied up. The Penguins win it. Here's a short pass to Pettersson. And that's a smart heads-up play by Thornton. Keeps possession. Pass across to Marino. The Penguins playing along the boards. And skilled use of the stick to poke the puck away. And that one's broken up. Great block there. Montour's got it in the defensive end. Achari's moving it ahead. And now he moves it to Verhaeghe. And that's poked away. Pittsburgh's got the puck along the wall. Looking for space inside the D zone. Errant pass, and they can't connect. Puts it on net. Turned aside with the glove by Bobrovsky. In the final moments of this period, we got a tie game. Blueger's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Sacrifices the body. Denied that one.
Doesn't look like much, but the defensemen are helped out by this puck being in the corner.
Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot. His reflexes on display tonight. Pittsburgh's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Slides it across to Kapanen. The Panthers gain control of it. Receives the pass. Nice zone entry from the middle. Marchment's got it along the wing. And reads the play perfectly and picks off the pass. The Panthers take possession in the defensive end. Now over to Marchment. And there's the horn. 2 down, 1 more to go. Both teams will get a chance to catch their breath And get ready for a big third period next. James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro ready to bring you all the action. Period number 3 is set to get underway. Third period, we are all tied up, and the next goal could be a biggie. Saucer pass. Lets it go, and that goes off a player. The Penguins have it behind the net. And now he tries to get it across to Huberdeau. The Panthers played along the boards. Saucer pass across. Oh, how did that stay out? What a toe stop on the play. Denied by the goaltender. Breaks up the play with a poke check. Some solid defensive work in their own end with the poke check. Makes it look easy with the stop. The Penguins played along the wing. And that one stopped. Quick feed to Malkin. Florida's got possession of the puck. The Penguins have it in the offensive zone. And he whiffs on it. And that one's broken up. Florida's got it against the boards. Ekblad's going to play it against the half wall. Enters the offensive zone from the left. And he loses possession of the puck after trying to make one too many moves.
Maybe one move too many, James. I mean, he's in a position to make a different play. One extra move, and now he loses the puck.
Sends a pass over. Zucker's got it against the boards. Here's a shot. Can't get it to go. From the left side, he moves it up ahead. But Toronto's got it in the offensive zone. And that's picked off in the defensive end. Poked away in the offensive zone by Rust. Gets in front of it. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Past the halfway mark of this period, we are all tied up in this one. Carter's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Oh, how did he get a glove on that? What a stop by Bobrovsky. Officials getting ready to drop the puck. Puck possession so key in today's game. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Shuts him down. Referee Shilevek's hand is in the air. We've got a penalty coming up. Whistle blown, stopping the play. The Panthers are off to the box. Interference the call. Here's a first look at the power play.
First chance of the night for the power play. The guys are pretty excited to get out there and see if they can get on the board.
The Panthers get a hold of the puck in their own end. And that's a solid clearing attempt on the play. Pittsburgh's gained possession along the boards. Carter's got it into offensive territory. Delayed penalty coming up here by the official. There's the whistle, and here's the call. Nudifara's going off for interference.
Gensel's aware he's got more ice to work with on this power play here. This could be a great time for him to try using his zone ability and maybe even help the team put one past the goalie.
Puck picked up by Weegar. And the puck clears the zone. The Penguins have it behind the cage.
It hasn't been boring. I mean, it's low scoring, but man, there's been a lot of chances at both ends of the ice. We've seen missed chances combined with great goaltending, and that gives you a low-scoring game.
Verhaeghe's side still short-handed here as they slide in for the face-off. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. A chance to get it out. And that's a big clear on that play.
Coaches are always telling us about details. There's one of them. Get the puck out late in a game. Players tell us all the time that they don't know where the next milestone is. That's garbage. They know when they're one goal away from a plateau. I think he's looking for it here.
The Penguins scoop it up along the boards. Through center. Couldn't complete the pass. Trying to get it out of their own end. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Goes right to the crease. Puts it up the inside of the iron.
Zucker's been so dangerous offensively tonight, but he can't get a bounce. That puck is off the post and out again.
On the attack along the boards. Moves it to Kapanen. Oh, tremendous athletic reflexes there with the toe stop.
Bobrovsky's probably the one reason that this game is the way it is. His save percentage has been outstanding.
Moves it over to Kapanen. The Panthers with a huge penalty kill there. Oh, glove save by Bobrovsky.
He's not going to face many more high-danger chances than that, but he snares that attempt.
Let's send it back down to ringside with Carlin Bade.
Gensel's looked good, even though he hasn't recorded a point, guys. I think he's stayed engaged and has stuck with it, and that's why I'm giving him my vote for our matchup.
Streaking through center, they go on the attack. Great poke check on the reach. Tosses it on to Malkin. Nice pass. Stopped by the goaltender. Moves it quickly over to Gensel. Turned aside by the goaltender. And makes the save. Slides into Vetrano. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. And now it's grabbed by Weegar. Inside his own end, moves the puck. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. The Penguins will play it in their own end. Scooped up along the wall by Gensel. Blueger's got it on the offensive end. He grabs the puck here at the point. Can't find his man. Florida's got it along the wall. Taken by Weegar. Puck sent over to Ekblad. Florida's on the attack. And that pass can't connect. And now he angles it across to Blueger. Florida's got the puck along the boards. Quick pass to Weegar. Takes the feed. And there's the buzzer, bringing regulation time to an end. Still tied up. We've got overtime in moments. The moment of truth has arrived. Overtime is set to go. All right, listen to this place. The electricity's so thick you could cut it with a knife. Sudden death, overtime. The puck is dropped. Let's go. Bobrovsky's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Oh, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
And both centers glide into the dot as a face-off set to resume. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Takes the pass. Here's a short pass to Huberdeau. Takes a shot, and there's the save. Florida's got a hold of it against the wall. The Penguins get a hold of the puck. Picked up along the wall by Crosby. Slides the puck over. Florida's got control of it now from their own end. Exploring options here inside the defensive zone. They've got the defense outnumbered. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Quick feed to Crosby. Oh, how did he keep it out? What a blocker stop by Bobrovsky. Pittsburgh's got a hold of it along the wall. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Drives it to the crease. Bobrovsky's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
A big draw looming here in the offensive zone. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. The Panthers take it across the blue line. And that's some great pressure in the offensive end by Montour. Marino's got the puck in his own zone. Sends the pass over. Stoppage in play, offside the call. Nearing the final minute of OT. They fight for it along the boards. Florida's got the puck in their own end. The Panthers move it in. Moves the puck. Here's a chance. Oh, denies them with the paddle save. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
A critical draw here. The Penguins win the draw. Moves the puck over to Carter. Great pressure with the stick. Game on a stick! And that somehow stayed out of the net.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Barkov's got a chance to be a hero here in overtime, guys. His zone ability could be the magic that helps him put this one away.
And a solid job tying up his opponent. Moves it to Barkov. Moves it around along the half wall. Letang's moving the puck through his own zone. Pittsburgh's across the blue line. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. And there's the buzzer, and we remain tied. So we go to a shootout, and we'll do it next.
Play hockey with childhood heroes is a fun-filled and full of memories. Call us for details, or you can visit the team website.
Neither team has given an inch after 3 periods. Nothing solved after overtime. So here we go. Shootout. Let's go. Absolutely nothing doing on that.
Sometimes you make a move, sometimes you choose to shoot, and there's just nothing there.
Huberdeau's ready to go here in this shootout. Makes the save.
Focused in on the puck, gets himself in the center of it, and makes an easy stop.
Gives them absolutely nothing on that.
It's amazing how many points are alive in a season. The goalie has to be good if you're going to collect some of them.
Scores! Oh, what a snipe!
Didn't have much room. It looked like the goalie was in pretty good shape, but this one's in the back of the net.
Makes the stop. This is why they practice it, right, Ray?
Yeah, keep it as uncomplicated as possible, and he makes a good save.
The Panthers needed a shootout, but they skate away with the win.
It always feels like a little bit of a coin flip once you get past regulation time, but they come up with the win. Always tough for the goalie to read where the puck's going off the backhand.
I guess there's a lot of different organizations that can take credit for how this grassroots movement started, but I love the post-game tip of the cap here.
Well, I think any team that doesn't do it now would look like they're missing the boat.
On behalf of Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Thanks for joining us. Good night.